Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a couple of videos today about putting an oval shape, and I tried to make it longer. When I blended it, it doesn't blend very good. You can see that it's closer to that line than it is that line. They're equally spaced apart, but another way to do that is probably just as easy. I drew a 20-inch circle. I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to hit P, and I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that line. And we need 20 of them, so we need to do it 40, and 40 divided by 360 is 9 degrees. So we're going to rotate it 9 degrees and just go all the way around. You could do this with the transformation docker, and you could do it a number of ways. But then what I'm going to do is just take the virtual segment delete key, and I could have done this with just one line. So we're going to leave that one solid. So we're going to take out every other line, and that doesn't matter. I took out the line too, but we're not going to need it here in just a second. As long as you capture that line. And there's another way to do this, which might be a little bit better. You could actually cut out one line and then rotate it. And I might do that on a second or a third video. So now we got those lines. And if you will hold down the Alt key when you're selecting these lines and then hit delete, hold down the Alt key. So the Alt key allows you to just scan through there. So we need 2 more lines deleted. And then if you look, we have 20 dashes. Well, I must have not have done that right. Let's back up here. I didn't take out that line. Okay, now we're good to go. Holding down the Alt key again. The Alt key just allows anything it touches to be deleted. And see, like that, I was just using the pick tool. If you use the Alt key, anything it touches, it'll delete. And then, of course, you could just select the line. So now we have 20 dashes, but how do we make them oval? Well, just like this morning, we're going to go and open up the Windows Docker's properties, and we're going to make them a little thicker. We're going to actually use inches, so we're going to make them a 1/2 inch wide. And then we're going to use round end caps, and that makes our ovals shape. Now what we need to do to make it a cut line is select it, go to Object, convert the outline to an object, then left click, right click, and magically you have 20 little dashes. And to check that, you go up to Object and break curve apart, and then group them all. And right down here, I've got 20 dashes, and they're all equally spaced apart. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.